I'll guide you through how to make tables in Obsidian. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Obsidian app on your desktop. On the home page, go to the top of the screen and click the plus icon to open a new tab. Next, head to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. From there, find and select the Community Plugins option. Make sure you turn on Community Plugins so you can install third-party tools for better and faster experience. Then, click the Browse button, and in the search bar, type Advanced Tables. Once it appears, click Install and wait for the plugin to finish installing. Now you're ready to create a table. Open a new note, type the pipe symbol below your backspace key, then write column 1 and hit Tab to move to the next column. Press Enter to move to the next row and continue building your table. After you're done, switch back to View mode to see the final table rendered. And that's it. You've now created a table using Obsidian.